Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Make a rectangle of 96 by 64. Make a reference line of 16 mm length. Keep ortho on 16 mm. Make a rectangle of 20 mm length and 16 mm width. Delete reference lines. Here I can select the line. So go drafting setting and allow selection cycling. And now click it and select single line. Make a circle and trim. In 3D, we need only one closed loop for a single operation. And now I make another rectangle of 16 mm width and 64 mm length. That is my second geometry. And third one is another rectangle of dimension 40 by 42. And now switch to the view of top to SC isometric. And then switch environment from 2D to 3D environment. And then extrude, select sketch, enter, minus 16. And another one, extrude, rotate geometry and pick, and value is 48. And third, 28. We can see now create a circle of diameter 24 for making a slot. Press pull it and use subtract command. Select first part and enter and select second part. And delete circle. Make an edge fillet. Go to solid tab and select edge fillet and then select edge, right click, go to radius and put 32 and then enter. You can see switching to the back view for making stiffener on corner. Here some problem in tracking edges because of the low configuration of graphic processor. That's why I'm facing this kind of problem in my laptop. So if you are purchased laptop for designing purpose, especially for 3D, then ensure your laptop configuration is higher. Minimum 4 GB graphics is required for better performance. And here I'm select on object snap, and now I'm going for explode and delete extra lines. And now select all the lines and make join. You can see this sketch is in single sketch. Go for the right view and switch view into 2D wireframe and move it. In 3D you can see there are lots of problems in Autocad. That's why we are using higher end softwares. Now our sketch is placed on a particular place, so extrude it of 12 mm. You can see our drawing is finished now. You can change different views